Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. Espresso machines talk all the time, but most people don't know how to listen. As a coffee technician, one of the fastest ways I diagnose a machine isn't by looking at it. It's by listening to it. There's one specific sound that instantly tells me something is wrong, even before I open the machine. In this video, I'll explain what that sound is, why it happens, and what it's trying to warn you about before real damage occurs. Why sound is a diagnostic tool. Every espresso machine has a normal operating sound. Pump ramp up, valve clicks, water flow, pressure release. When those sounds change, it's never random. Pumps strain differently when flow is restricted. Valves sound sharper or weaker when contaminated. Air, scale, or pressure imbalance all change the acoustic signature of a machine. Sound is often the first symptom, long before leaks or bad espresso show up. The sound you should never ignore. The most important warning sound is a strained, uneven pump noise, especially at the start of extraction. Instead of a smooth, confident ramp-up, the pump sounds rough, higher-pitched, or inconsistent. This usually means the pump is fighting resistance, often caused by scale buildup, blocked flow paths, or a failing valve. Many users ignore this sound because the machine still works, but internally, stress is building fast. What that sound usually means. When you hear that strained pump sound, it's often pointing to one of three issues: restricted water flow from scale, a partially stuck solenoid valve, or excessive resistance from grinder fines and puck density. The pump is being forced to work harder than designed, which increases heat, wear, and eventual failure. From a BrewFix perspective, this sound is the machine saying something is wrong. Fix it now, not later. Other sounds that signal trouble. Not all warning sounds are dramatic. A delayed valve click, a weak pressure release hiss, or a prolonged drain sound after extraction can indicate contamination or worn seals. A buzzing vibration may suggest air in the system or a pump mounting issue. Once you know what normal sounds like, even small changes stand out clearly. Why people miss these sounds? Most people focus on taste first. If coffee still comes out, they assume the machine is fine. But machines often compensate until they can't anymore. By the time leaks appear or pressure drops, internal damage is already underway. Technicians catch problems early because we're trained to listen before the machine fails visibly. What to do when you hear it? If your machine suddenly sounds different, stop forcing it. Check water quality, flow, and cleanliness before pulling more shots. Many failures are preventable if caught early. Ignoring warning sounds is one of the fastest ways to turn a minor maintenance issue into an expensive repair. Espresso machines don't fail silently. They warn you first. Learning to listen can save your machine, your money, and your coffee. At BrewFix, I teach real diagnostic thinking so coffee lovers, baristas, and technicians can spot problems early instead of reacting too late.